there, welcome to FloorLand. If you're looking to transform your home or commercial space with the perfect flooring, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best flooring options for Dubai's unique climate and style. Whether you're after something sleek, durable, or luxurious, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. 1. Climate considerations. Dubai's hot and humid climate means your flooring choice needs to withstand the heat. Tile flooring, like porcelain or ceramic, is ideal since it stays cool and is highly resistant to moisture. Plus, it gives a modern and polished look that's perfect for Dubai homes. 2. Durability for high-traffic areas. Dubai is a bustling city, and if you've got a busy household or commercial space, you'll need something durable. Consider luxury vinyl plank, LVP, or porcelain tiles. They're incredibly tough, easy to clean, and perfect for high-traffic areas like your living room or office. 3. Aesthetic appeal. Want to add some elegance to your home? Hardwood flooring or engineered wood can bring natural warmth and sophistication. It's perfect for creating a luxurious feel. Just keep in mind, with Dubai's humidity, engineered wood could be a better choice for longevity. 4. Comfort and texture. For a more comfortable, cozy vibe, especially in bedrooms or lounging areas, consider carpet or laminate flooring. They add a soft texture underfoot and are perfect for making spaces feel inviting and warm. 5. Budget and cost. And of course, don't forget your budget. While options like marble or hardwood are undeniably premium, laminate and LVP provide stylish, budget-friendly alternatives without compromising on looks. How to order your flooring in Dubai. Ordering from FloorLand is quick and easy. Visit our website, go to FloorLand.LLC to browse our extensive collection. Select your favorite, use our intuitive filters to find the perfect flooring for your space. Place your order, add your chosen design to the cart, proceed to checkout, and fill in your details. Fast delivery. Sit back and relax while we deliver your order right to your door anywhere in Dubai. Thanks for tuning in. And if you need any expert advice, leave a comment or reach out to us directly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more flooring tips and trends. See you next time.